Hey everyone, the Beelink ME Pro NAS is an interesting hybrid that sits at the crossroads of a traditional micro PC and a compact network-attached storage system. Clearly designed for home users, content creators, and small offices that want flexibility without committing to a bulky, enterprise-style NAS enclosure. From the moment you look at it, the ME Pro distinguishes itself through its compact footprint and thoughtful internal layout, aiming to deliver high storage capacity and respectable performance in a device that takes up far less desk or shelf space than most dual-bay NAS solutions. Physically, the ME Pro is impressively small, measuring just 166 by 121 by 112 millimeters. Yet it feels robust thanks to its unibody metal chassis. The design is not only about aesthetics but also function, with multiple ventilation sections carved into the metal body to ensure consistent airflow. The internal structure is cleverly split, with storage drives occupying the upper section and the motherboard isolated in a lower compartment. This separation helps with thermal management and makes the overall design feel more deliberate than many entry-level NAS boxes. At the heart of the ME Pro is Intel's N95 processor. While this CPU is not meant to compete with high-end workstation processors, it is well suited to the ME Pro's target audience. It also reinforces the idea that this device can function as more than just a file box, doubling as a small, always-on PC if needed. Memory is another area where Beelink has made sensible choices. The ME Pro ships with 12 gigs of LPDDR5 running, which is generous for a compact NAS in this price range. This amount of RAM allows for comfortable caching, multiple services running simultaneously, and smoother performance when handling large file transfers or media libraries. Storage flexibility is arguably the ME Pro's strongest selling point. Despite its compact size, it supports up to 72 terabytes of total storage, which is impressive for a device aimed at home and small office users. In addition to the two SATA bays that can accommodate both 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch run drives up to 30 terabytes each, the system includes three M.2 2280 SSD slots. Networking is another highlight. The inclusion of both a 5 gigabit Ethernet port and a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port sets the ME Pro apart from many consumer NAS devices that still rely on single 1 gigabit Ethernet connections. Wireless connectivity is also well covered, with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4 handled by the MT7920 module, making the device versatile even in environments where running Ethernet cables is inconvenient. The I/O selection further reinforces the ME Pro's hybrid identity. In addition to multiple USB ports, including a USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 port and a USB-C port with both 10 gigabit per second data and video output, the system offers HDMI 2.1 capable of 4K at 60 Hz. From a pricing perspective, ME Pro is competitively positioned. The standard version, which includes 12 gigs of RAM but no internal storage, is priced attractively and gives users the freedom to choose their own drives from the start. Overall, the Beelink ME Pro NAS stands out as a compact yet surprisingly capable solution that blurs the line between a mini PC and a traditional NAS. Its strong points lie in its thoughtful design, flexible storage options, fast networking, and upgradable internals, making it a compelling choice for users who want more control and performance than entry-level NAS boxes typically provide. While it is not aimed at enterprise workloads or heavy virtualization, it excels as a modern, space-efficient storage and productivity hub for homes and small offices that value versatility as much as capacity. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.